Your TI-84 Evo can turn any function into a table of x and y values. We'll start from the home screen and build a table for x squared. Press the y equals key in the top left corner to open the function editor. On the y1 line, press the x key just to the right of alpha, then the x squared key. Now press second, then graph. The blue label above the graph key is table. Every row pairs an x value with what the function gives back. Tap the up arrow, and the table scrolls right up into negative x values. By default, the table starts at 0 and counts up by 1. You can change both. Press second, then Window to open Table Setup. Set the start value to 100, press Enter, then set the step size to 10. Press second, graph, and the table now starts at 100, counting up by 10 each row. If it's just the step size you want to change, the status bar up top has the hint, plus for delta table. Press plus, type a new step size, like 2, and press Enter. Now the table counts up by 2 each row. When you only want a few specific inputs, you can type them in yourself instead of scrolling. Open Table Setup again with second, then Window. Arrow down to the independent row and switch it from Auto to Ask. Press second, graph, and the table opens empty, waiting for your values. Type any x value and press Enter. 3 gives 9. 7 gives 49, and 12 gives 144. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.